My name is Yuki Fujisawa. I live in Hawaii. I am 18 years old and we moved to here like 5 years ago from Japan.
Their family invited my family to their first house in Mililani, and that's the first time I met Yuki. She's an amazing young woman. I think she's still in high school. She's a few years younger than I am, but she's very friendly. She adapted really quickly, especially from a hard move from Japan to here, and she's fun and she's full of energy and she's very, very sweet. So it's been a pleasure knowing her and having our families to get close over the years.
I like everything things show us when we came here for like hanging out, like how she helping us or like talk about her stuff or like try to talk with us and like listening about ourselves. Yeah, I really like her. Because my dad and her parents are friends, so from that, and then we moved to here like 5 years ago. We did home party and then he invite her family, like, so from that we became friends. I'm not sure about I don't have a superpower, but I like to be crazy or like I like to draw a picture. So if I'm with my friends, I'm gonna be really crazy. So maybe that's my superpower. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm kind of proud of myself about how much I learned about my different language in here, because even I can speak English at all when I moved to here, but now I can speak a lot, so I'm kind of proud of myself about that. Maybe tomato. I like eating tomato with salt. It's really simple, but it's really good. Like the person who can think about other person's feeling, because like being fake or just hurting people, even like without apologize, I think it's worst thing ever. So I like the person who taking care of people, the person who's around that person, and being friendly or be kind. When I was depressed about something, like about home things, like or something other stuff, they help me and they always listen what I say, or they always support me when I talk, or when I was crying, they will ask me what happened, and then if I say something negative, they always say that's not true. They will talk about my good part, like positive part or something, and then they always helping like that. And then for school, if I can't understand, they always explain to me like easily. So they help me about a lot of stuff like for school and other whatever. So yeah, they're really important for me. Yes, but we are not the person who taking contact, like message each other that much, so or like hanging out a lot. I mean, when we have a school, we do hang out all day at the school, but after school or like long break, we don't hang out that much. So I wish I can hang out and then we can text each other more easily. Yes, it's so much better because they're really friendly. They talked a lot, even they don't know each other. They'll like introduce themselves like, hi, my name is blah blah blah, and then try to be friend each other. So I'm really proud of them about that. My father, so the most closest person, like first or second person who I met from when I was born, of course, and I stay with him like 18 years, of course, because he's my dad. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure he just likes to talk about something like his friend or like country stuff, so that's why I would like to send you guys to my dad. He's really silly, but sometimes really weird. But I like it. Even I'm being selfish. I remember like he always tried to make us laugh with really, I don't know, weird or something silly dad jokes. And even no one don't laugh. When I was little, I was laughing, I remember. But now, not that much. Yeah, and then he was doing a lot of weird things, like crazy things, for trying to make us happy and laugh. And he's being really awesome with daddy. I would say, I don't know, I'm being selfish usually, I'm pretty sure. So I would say thank you so much for working hard all the time, and thank you so much for taking care of all of our families and the siblings, the person who don't live close. So I will say I really want to say thank you so much for a lot of stuff and everything. and we really love him.